Hey guys, we just found another TikTok that we just had to try, a 3-ingredient chocolate cake, and I thought there's no way this is going to taste good, but it is so delicious. So I just have to share this one with you as well. Now, only 3 ingredients and it comes out super dense but delicious. So the ingredients that you'll need are medjool dates, you'll also need some cacao, and the final ingredient is eggs. Now, we added some salt and some baking powder as well, blitzed the crap out of it. Super quick, super easy, into a tin, 30 minutes in the oven, and it comes out like this. Now, we did add an icing on top of this one, which we just added some coconut oil, some maple syrup, and some cacao, more cacao, and made this beautiful icing for on top. This is going to be great in the school lunches and also for a quick snack with a cuppa. You don't need very much, it's very rich. So, yeah, hope you enjoy this one too. Bye.